Yo, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be reacting to Angry Grandpa, the ceiling fan Piñata prank. Like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you got any other suggestions, let me know in the comment section down below. Let's get straight to it.
Okay. So how the hell are you gonna hang your piñata there?
Do you not trust me at all?
No.
Well, that's your problem. Trust me, I've done my research. If it's gonna be hanging right here, Dad. Look at this. Can you miss that?
Oh no, ain't no way I can miss that, sir. God, you. I got the colors like your mama.
I guess. So we get it right here. All you gotta do is make sure you don't go for the windows or pictures
He just said that the piñata looks like his mother. That's messed up, bro.
on the wall and stuff.
How in the hell?
You gotta question everything.
It ain't goddamn right!
Okay, we can't do it outside because you don't have any freaking low-hanging branches.
Let's just do it, come on.
Well, hold on, I'll hang it just a
Well,
second there. You got the twines, we can hang it up from there, Bridget?
Yeah.
I wish you can't see because you'll cheat.
That ain't weird, got it.
Well, do it yourself then. You put it on your face and I'll cover your eyes. That's good.
Now, if we're gonna do it, let's do it right.
All right. Extra protection, Mr. Batman. Don't swing yet. For God's sakes, don't swing yet. Hold on, I'm still hanging it. You better stop this. I'm hanging it.
I don't know where you're hanging it, so go ahead. I got you.
Okay.
Bro, he's actually gonna make him mess up his light, bro. That's fucked up.
Where the fuck is Robin? Move, I can't go no more.
One more. Let me get out of the way. Okay. Go. Not yet. Too low. Higher. Oh. Higher. Higher. Dad, you did it. Okay.
What?
Oh my god!
Did I get it? Where's Candy?
Did you not hear the glass?
Where's Candy? Where's Candy?
Oh shit! Oh Jesus Christ!
Why the fuck is Bridget screaming? She never gets attacked, bro.
I'm sorry!
You gotta make my way, not my way!
No!
Dad!
Damn.
Oh my god! What is wrong with you? Don't you do that? Ah! Dad, you're okay. I'm sorry!
Hey, he fixed it.
You should have never trusted me to do a freaking piñata in this room anyway!
Where did that goddamn thing out?
Down there! No! Ah! Stop! Ah!
Oh, it actually
I'm
has
sorry.
candy.
You've been pranking me so much that I wanted to freaking get you for what? Ah! Jesus Christ!
Okay.
Bridget, get him off me!
Yeah.
Help, Bridget! Dude, I'm not coming back. I won't come back if you do this!
Get off of Michael!
What is he doing?
That's fine. That's real fine with me.
Just go.
Goodbye. Break my...
I'll be back.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will be back.
I'll get a restraining order.
Damn, he said he's gonna get a restraining order. Like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you got any other suggestions, let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.